Enable. So this will be the teaching plan GE. Okay lang, clinic ko na agad.
Yes, miss.
Like
I click OK too.
Okay. So it's gonna be looking like this. The class notes is on the left side, and then just click this. It's gonna start like this, right? Like a PPT presentation.
Right.
So if you can see here, if your demo is 2 o'clock, right? And then if you can see the material, it's gonna start with introduction. First, the introduction goes like this. So the material, like tech check first, and then as you enter, it's up to you when you wanted to share the screen. Basically, it depends on the level of the student, if they'll be needing this outline.
I see.
But if you want to guide your student very well in such a manner that parang while you speak, you can share this, pero kung medyo advanced, pwede namang hindi. Kasi if you will see our video, parang maliit lang yung video natin. But if you want to welcome your student and parang mas malaki, better not share screen first. Then introduce yourself, of course, with your strength, and then followed by your student's introduction. So your student doesn't have to always see this, not unless you feel they need it. So as the student introduce himself or herself, you will type something here. So name, hobbies, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan.
Same IELTS. Okay, miss.
Yes. So parang part of warm-up, but there's really a warm-up part, which is slide number 5. So if you can see here, lead-in, warm-up, it's all together. 2, 3, 4. 4 minutes lang to. This is already 53 minutes, all in one class. So meaning to say, timing mo to, actually, I just accommodated the time. GE is kind of long, but of course, warm-up is very important. But the ones that I put here are the things that the examiner will look for during the demo.
Right.
Okay? So kumbaga tandaan mo lang yung mga highlights in each section na dapat hindi mo makalimutan. So, pero bahala ka. Like, I mean, you wanna make it 5 minutes, fine. You wanna make it shorter, fine. As long as andun yung tech check, andun yung you introduce yourself, student introduce herself, and then you're able to get the information that you need. Of course, it's important to get the hobbies and what else? Yung language goals is very important as well. So, ayan yung sa introduction ng student.
Reason?
Yes. Language goals. Purpose.
I see. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah? Okay. So, going back, teaching material. Nakalaki na kasi siya. I think I clicked that part.
Okay, miss.
So, as you can see here, this is like some phrases that you will teach your student to use during class while you navigate the material. It's important in such a way that you encourage open communication, because some students, they aren't so open with their teacher. So even if the teacher is like speaking fast, or I don't know what request they want, but most of the time, that message goes through TA, TM, teacher. While in fact, the student is directly communicating in class with the teacher. So yun siguro yung emphasize mo dito.
I see.
that apart from they can use these phrases, how you do it in IELTS, like if you have any requests specifically, then please feel free to do so at any given time.
Mm,
Yep. So ito na really yung start ng warm-up. If you will notice that before lumabas yung warm-up na 3 to 5 minutes, merong intro before, tech check, intro mo, intro ni
yes, miss.
student. So bahala ka mag-accommodate ng time. But in the warm-up, what's important here is, let me show it to you here. Important to remember. It looks like this. This is the picture. These are the set of questions, but you must have a follow-up questions in a way that it would feel like you are reacting or speaking with a friend. Like for
Miss, start na kami,
instance,
miss.
sorry,
Start na kami. Ni-start na magklase.
ito,
This part, yeah?
yes, warm-up na nga
Okay.
Warm-up
I
na
see.
to. So
Mm,
look at the picture. You're done with the title, right? If I remember correctly. See, ito na yung
okay.
title eh.
So, introduce mo travel
Tapos
okay.
introduction. So here, how you conduct yourself is that like you're speaking with a friend. Based on the response, that's where you do the follow-up question. It means you're interested with the reply, and
I see.
you don't just run through the questions here. So again, the timing is key because yun na nga, merong intro tapos papasok pa si warm-up.
Right, miss.
Yes.
Can we combine them, no?
You can. It's a little tricky in a way that for me, when I also did the demo, parang, uy, tapos na yung warm-up ko, pero warm-up pa lang. You know what I mean?
Say yes, miss.
Yeah,
Another
so
warm-up
parang
again.
dapat 5 minutes yun, 5 minutes din dito, right? But then, you try to accommodate the time.
I see.
But
It's just 5 minutes.
siguro something will give, just like I think dito na sa speaking and free talk, kasi matagal-tagal to, 15 minutes.
Konti lang yan, miss. I mean,
15.
sorry.
Yeah, but then can you imagine intro and warm up to be together in
In
5
5 minutes.
minutes?
Yes,
In 5
miss.
minutes, right? So
True.
talagang the time is short, but the in actuality, some teachers are having a hard time to accommodate the intro and the warm up in such a manner that wow, 20 minutes. Wag naman ganun.
Sobrang
Diba?
haba naman, miss.
Siguro intro pwede ng 3 and then warm-up can be another 3. It's not bad, right? So 6 all in all, right? So of course, depending on the response of your student, depending
True.
on the discussion. So yeah, I mean, siguro 6-7 minutes. Ganon. So then you don't have to finish all of the questions if you think it's going so long in this part. So just a follow-up question on based on the reply. Tapos learning objective, just run through with it. Maybe that's just a few seconds because you will just mention it. Pero naka 1 dito, 1 minute. Tapos if you will see the vocab here, I think what I forgot was you have to ask if they have done the pre-class because if you can see here in the teaching material, I guess, ito yung mismong view natin. This one is like a pre-class. May pre-class kasi ang GE. It means before they study with you, they have some activity. So it's just for you during the warm-up pala. Please try to remember to check
Okay.
the pre-class.
Ask about pre-class. Okay, miss.
Follow-up questions, warm-up.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot, miss, in 5 minutes.
Mm,
Warm up.
kaya mo yan.
Okay.
Check if student has done pre-class. Yeah. So if they have done pre-class, which is this one, just remember to praise them because it's like an effort that they did before attending your class.
I see.
Okay. So this is now the look of the vocab. So for the vocab, it says here, check the pronunciation, then explore 6 keywords over the next few pages. Actually, for the vocab, magkakaiba ang activity. But what's important in the vocab is this one that you have to remember. Bahala ka rin mag-accommodate ng time, but here is approximately 10 minutes max. But of course, you can go a little bit over.
Mhm.
What's important here is direct correction on pronunciation.
Mm.
And then let's say here the most difficult is, let's say, long queue. It's just to check, siguro mag-spot check ka lang because you cannot give all the meaning of that.
Okay.
But you can just say, do you have some questions on which one is not very clear for you? So, oh, everything is clear for me, teacher, no questions. But you have to ensure comprehension. Okay, let's check one. How about long queue? Oh yes, teacher, I understand that. I know it. I know it. Okay, let's use it in a sentence. Just how you That's how you can check their comprehension. If they use it in a sentence well, then it means they understand it.
I
You
see.
cannot come up with sentences for all
Okay,
because
miss.
the time won't allow you.
10 minutes. Okay.
So spot checking ka lang talaga. Yeah?
I see, miss.
Okay. So let's say meron silang direct question, then of course there's no recourse but for you to answer the question. Kasi talagang it's a direct question from your student. Teacher, I don't understand turbulence. So of course, you have to be ready to explain that in an easy manner. You
I
know,
see.
when you're in the airplane and suddenly the plane moves like that, rock
Right,
and
miss.
roll on air like that. Ganon.
Okay.
So turbulence. Question
Okay.
so far.
None. Okay. Like I've seen one video of Teacher Weekly.
Already?
Yes, miss. I did watch it. I watched all of them, but not this one. So
Okay, because I've shared several of the YouTube links.
yes,
What about?
miss. He said that he uses translator if the student couldn't understand.
Yes.
Can we really use that? I mean, in
Yes.
IELTS, it's allowed Google Translate only.
Yes. You can
So,
use Google Translate as well, or the system has translate button.
mm,
Mm.
so we can show it to the student, miss.
Yes.
Okay, got
Yes.
it.
He used a lot of that.
Mm, kasi baka yung student low level siguro mahirap
Yes.
paintindihin.
Yeah. Actually, with Teacher Weekly, the children of the students, his professional students, would study with him.
1 second, miss. I didn't know that. Age range of students in GE.
Mostly professionals talaga.
Mostly.
Because what I will teach you now is how to conduct the general English and the business English. But to teach GE is to teach job interview and post-grad interview, meaning they are professionals.
Right,
But
makes sense.
his students love him so much that they ask even their children to study with him.
Okay.
May ganon.
That's so cool.
Okay. Any other questions?
Good, miss.
Okay. So in case there's audio or other activities, what you need to do is be very clear with what you can read in the instruction. Because some teachers would be conducting the activity, but they really don't understand the instruction. So mali yung activity na nagawa ni teacher,
Mm.
right? So ngayon, the students are wise. They're not stupid.
Yes, miss.
So it means that they know when the teacher can expand the knowledge, can expound, because you're not supposed to just stick to what you have in the PPT, in the teaching materials. You need to expound, just like, can you read this, teacher Phil?
The last part, miss, I couldn't
This
read
one,
it, but yeah, this part
this
only.
one.
Teach at least 2 new words or expressions, synonyms, more advanced words.
Yeah, so there are only two sections of the GE and the BE that you need to expand. But if you have the time, I mean, feel free to do so in the speaking. But it's a requirement in the demo or in the class, basically, to teach this in the vocab, regardless if it's A or B, and in free talk here.
Ah,
So if you're talking about, let's say, travel, any related expressions, more advanced terminologies, what you need to do is I advise you to pre-prepare your notes. Let's say ito about travel. So I'd like to share maybe few of more advanced words or terminologies, just like my bucket list,
right.
something like that, or some magnificent views that I'd like to visit, something like that. So you should reflect it in class notes. But some teachers are, because the thing is, your class notes has to be structured as well, clear and structured. So I guess the best would be you have, like, let's say you have your vocab, you have your grammar, you have your free talk uh, outlined here, then your maybe some sentence, because what you need to do is also, apart from because here in GE you need to also, let's say the sentence is very simple for let's say level 5 student who can speak basic English. So CFR leveling kasi dito. So similar to IELTS band 5, the level 5 can also express in simple sentences as well. So let's say, example lang, the apple is red. Of course, it's very simple, right?
Yes, miss.
Then pwede namang wala, the thing is you have to correct the wrong sentence structure. But let's say the sentence structure is correct, but it's too simple. So since maybe there are no corrections, you can improve the sentence. You can improve the expression. Let's say the apple is juicy and sweet, and so I would love to have it every day before my breakfast. It depends on how you will expand the sentence, but the main idea is kung walang mali dun sa sentence, that's how you can write something in the class notes, because it's important for you to give feedback and correction. But what if there's no correction? Wala bang feedback?
You should find a way. Okay, miss.
Yes, you should find a way.
Gawan mo siyang mali. Okay.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ni Teacher Ricky,
Yes, miss,
magtatanong siya
sabi
ng
niya.
mahirap para maraming correction siyang mabibigay. So, kailangan siya ng student kasi ang mga tinanong niya yung mga mahihirap. Yun yung strategy niya.
That's right, miss.
Yeah. So basically like that, kung wala namang palang mali, walang correction, you must be able to prepare something for your student that this is your topic and these are the notes that they can review after the class.
Mm.
So something maybe that they don't know, but it came from you. Some idea, some sentence that you can improve their ideas and
Anything,
expression.
Miss, no?
Anything for that
Like an
matter.
idiom?
Kung
Okay,
walang
I see.
kung walang mali.
Kung malam yes, Miss,
Yeah.
got it.
But basically there will be there will be
Okay.
some mistakes for sure. Kaya nga sila students eh,
Yes, Miss.
right? So, si Teacher Marl, akala niya like IELTS, lahat ng sinagot, sinulat niya sa class notes. Hindi naman lahat ng sinagot. Just like, let's say part 2, di ba? I-record mo lahat. Tapos lahat i-improve mo. Hindi ganun.
Correct, yes.
Tingnan mo naman yung class notes. Hindi naman madami. You know what I mean? But
Mm,
you can organize it in this kind of outline vocab. Tapos speaking A, speaking B, ganon. Or some teachers would make it vocab, sentence structure, something like that. It's up to you. But I think it would be best if you have this format or
yes, ma'am.
outline para alam ni student, ito yung pinag-uusapan namin, tapos ito yung class notes.
Correct flow. Yes, Miss. Correct the new
And
flow.
then maybe for your, let's say some terminologies that is not here, you can probably color code that. Gusto mo lahat blue, then you can say, okay, student, all of those that are in blue are what I wanted you to learn that is related to our topic. So
Same with
I put it all in this color or highlighted in red, or I don't know how you want it, but explain to your student that these are it's coming from you.
I see.
So you have to clarify that you did not stick to just the PowerPoint, because all teachers can conduct the teaching material, but why they will study with you, it's because they will learn a lot. Okay, so yon, may ganon sa vocab, and then as you can see, mag-iiba yung instruction here. You see that the vocab will be there's meaning. Pagka low level, okay lang naman to read the meaning. But if they already understand it, no need to read it. But already you can move on to the question.
Mm. That happened, Miss, when you click the word in the vocab? No.
Nag-scroll down lang ako.
Scroll down lang. I see.
Scroll down lang. You can try to navigate the system later if you have questions.
Yes, Miss.
Feel free to ask me. So every time you type something here, ito yung size. Kunwari A, I'll make it big.
Okay. It's different from...
And then you can experiment later with the system. So I think sa grammar, what I wanted to share with you is that ito yung play button if you want it big. Right?
Okay.
Play button. Tapos pagdating sa grammar, walang grammar. Meron na.
After the vocab should be after the vocab.
It should be, it should be grammar. Pero speaking na. The thing is, I told you to be able to accommodate, meaning to say, pang demo lang to ha.
I see, Miss. Okay, Miss.
Plinan ko na material. So, in some materials, in the demo, there's a vocab. So, example, kasi this is the teaching page of one teacher, but it's gonna look like this for, let's say, you're going to teach the past continuous tense. I don't want you to click the grammar here because it's a lot of information.
Yes, Miss.
See? It's like you're going to open a can of worms, like, oh, ang dami tuturo. But you see, grammar is just 5 minutes.
Yeah, I can't do it.
So how you can do that is, can you please read this?
Teach the grammar in a very simple manner.
Okay. How I would normally tell the teachers to do that in an efficient manner and to be able to finish it in few minutes is that you can make this the class notes as your like whiteboard, and you can make sample sentences just like a formula of how to make a past continuous. So
Mm,
was reading,
correct.
something like that. So she was reading a book. So you can construct something like your teaching material here to be able to teach the past continuous.
Mm,
Then you can pinpoint, okay, I'm going to teach you how to make the past continuous tense. So look here. So then teach ito, like this one. I was living in Poland. So then there's the past and the continuous tense living. It has an ing. So that's how you teach it in a very easy manner. And then there will be an activity for that, for the grammar. It's basically usage.
yeah, can you make a sentence? Something like that, miss?
It depends on the material.
Okay.
Later, if there's still time, we can open the teaching, the test the test page.
Yes, miss, we can.
Okay. Meantime, you teach the grammar in a simple manner. That's just 5 minutes, and then there's an instruction of the one in the grammar, and then make sure the instruction is clear and do the activity. Yeah, if I remember correctly, the activity is just a list of sentences, and then it says there that have you experienced this, something like that. So it's just
Mm,
discussion of that. But what's important here is the usage, because some students would be complaining that the teachers will just ask them to read. But since they're professionals, they're not in your class just to read. It's more of how to understand the concepts of the grammar or the
practical, yes,
usage
miss.
of the vocab.
Correct.
Okay. So going back, teaching material ulit. Uh, Speaking A na. So pagdating sa speaking A, this is basically the application of what they learned in the vocab and
Mm,
then in the grammar. So ipaprompt mo sila for usage of that. So there will be you're gonna play the audio or the video, and then the correction won't be direct anymore. It's in as much as it's speaking. So it's advised that you refrain from interrupting your student while they are speaking. Kasi nga speaking, pagsasalitain mo sila. So let's say you're talking about travel. So, oh, teacher, I travel Thailand last year. So, oh, you mean you so when you give your feedback, it's already with the correct grammar or the correct structure.
paraphrasing too.
So delayed feedback. You don't interrupt, but when you do reply, it's the correct grammar already, the correct
Yes, miss.
structure.
And then prompt them again another question to continue the speaking.
Basically you let them discover. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. So mag-agree sila sa'yo because you
Okay.
answered in the correct manner.
Yes, miss. And continue again until 15
Yes,
minutes, miss. And then
yes.
you're gonna
I
talk
think it's
about it.
similar to how you were teaching your class. You said that
Yes,
you
miss.
were doing the class while you are correcting them. But
Correct.
you don't pinpoint to them,
Directly kasi
this you made a mistake here.
masakit
But
kasi yun sa kanila.
yeah, but what you do is you answer with the correct whatever, correct tense or correct let's say kulang na linking word, so ire-repeat mo na lang yon with the usage of the complete sentence with the
I
missing
see.
linking word. Ganon. That's
Copy,
delayed
miss.
feedback. Okay, so they're speaking A and B. if you can see here, there will be instruction. Follow the steps to describe the worst travel experience. So just make sure you lead in each section and make sure that the instruction is clarified. Because some teachers would, from, let's say, from grammar, pagdating dito, hindi na siya magli-lead or hindi kina-clarify yung instruction. So si student lang ang magbabasa and then they will just, try to do the activity. But remember that each activity, you will be the one to conduct it and lead your student what to do in that section.
Right, miss.
So if you can see, sometimes there will be audio or video. For now, I don't see any audio or video here in this material. Naka-embed yun sa here, puro activities lang. Speaking, free talk. Yes, audio, video. Ayun, wala. Usually, pag may video or audio, nandito siya. Then you will just click and play.
I see.
Kunwari, nakalagay dito, listen to the audio, and then there's the activity here. So pag sinabing listen to the audio, play the audio. Or watch the video, play the video, and then you do the activity. Like that.
And make sure, miss, no, naka-share yung sound and yung
Yes.
sa
Yes. Correct. Yes. So, delayed feedback on speaking, pagdating sa free talk, this
Speaking
one,
ulit.
introduce natural expression, should be here. Delete. So, natural expressions, it's the same as this one. Expressions, synonyms, advanced words. So that will be done in vocab and free talk. Free talk kasi is in other terminologies or in other material here, it's under discussions. Iniba lang. Free talk or discussions. So what's important in the discussions would be, again, it's 15 minutes. You will share or expand the knowledge. And then what else? You have a follow-up question. So if you can see here, kunwari, what's happening? Oh, teacher, I think there's a bump-to-bump car, like that. Oh, bump-to-bump car, you mean bumper to bumper? Like that. So magfa-follow up question ka based on the answer of the student. Ganun lang, follow-up question. Okay. So you don't need to finish all of that's the thing. You don't need to finish all of the lineup in let's say there are questions, you see that?
Yes, miss. Guide mo lang
Since
yan.
you will just have a follow-up question like you're speaking with a friend, you don't need to finish. That's why kung medyo nag-extend ka sa vocab, ito yung magi-give. Yes. Siya yung magi-give way to finish in a good time. Why? Because there's still evaluation. Each ET class or trial class has to finish with evaluation.
I see.
But before we move on, do you have questions from vocab to free talk?
For now, miss, I need to watch the video to see how it really
is gonna play and accommodate in the time. Okay.
Right.
Yes. So anyway, pagdating sa after free talk, you just need to recap the learning objective because there's an objective, right?
Oh,
So
okay.
again, you remember that there's like the purpose objective of the students' learning goals, right? Since there's a recap of the objective here in the summary. So ito yung mga natutunan niya, right? So these are the vocab that you learned, accomplishments, the useful sentences or expressions that you learned. And then let's say the the primary purpose of studying GE would be I'd like to learn how to communicate with my colleagues, or I'd like to
Hello,
learn
miss.
how to do presentations. Then let's say that student bought 20 courses, then dun mo siya ipapasok dun sa learning objective. Like, okay, since,
Miss, sorry.
hmm,
Nag-stop ka for maybe 4 seconds or 5 seconds po.
okay, which one was the last
The
that
last
you
one
heard?
was, yeah, after learning the objectives, there is a,
Objectives.
yeah, recap. Okay.
So what I'm saying is, let's say the student studied with us, will study with you and bought 20 courses. Dito mo siya ipapasok. Like, if
Really,
you,
miss?
yeah, if let's say, apart from the summary of the accomplishments for this specific class, is you can also mention if the uh, student's objective is to be able to, let's say, conduct himself in a conference, then you
Yeah.
can say, uh, let's say business English. So you learn this, and that. So by now, you should be able to conduct yourself or conduct a meeting with your foreign colleagues, like that. Kasi
I see.
makakapa mo yun kung based on what you covered with the students, ano na kaya yung pwede niyang magawa based on his primary purpose of studying with you.
Okay, I see.
Okay.
Clear,
Um,
miss. Thank you.
yeah, because that's like holistic way of recapping everything. If you can see here, there's homework. Homework, no need to discuss this in class because it's homework.
Okay.
Okay. Wait a minute. Since there's evaluation, let me see. Okay, here's the evaluation. So maybe it's best that you click, maybe I can show it to you first. You
Okay.
click the rating form, and then you are still sharing your screen at a
Yes.
certain point in time after the intro. Then you can say, okay, we're gonna start with your vocab. I think based on what we learned today, I can give you a 5 because you know enough of what we talked about today. Click. So for your grammar, you need to be more familiar with the past continuous tense, but somehow you're able to use it in your expressions while we were discussing about it in this activity. Click. So pronunciation, I could understand you well enough during our discussions, blah, blah, blah. So fluency until you're done, submit,
Okay.
submit. So as you can see, there's no back button. So dito ka lang babalik. Hindi ko siya makiklik kasi actual
Yes,
class to.
miss. Yes, it's
Yeah,
okay.
actual class to. Let's say nag-click, click, click ako dito, mag-go over all score siya dito.
Okay. It will be reflected there. And if it's not reflecting, miss, can I refresh the whole?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Click again, and then you can try in the test page. And then good performance, sandwich method, right? Before you even mention the weakness, you have to mention first the strength, good performance.
Right.
Areas to work on, you know it. Yes,
Okay.
similar to IELTS. We need to
Right.
improve your fluency, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, the fillers and blah blah. Okay, miss.
And then study suggestions. So please try to personalize it because all the teachers would mention listen to podcasts, watch movies. So let's say this student is an engineer. So maybe you can tailor fit it, like say, since this student talked about hobbies, right? Oh, you mentioned you want to watch movies. So maybe you can watch some animated movies if that's what you're interested in. So but it has to be like this, so you'd better tailor fit your study suggestions on,
Okay.
personalize it
I
basically.
see.
Okay.
Happy, miss.
I'm going to stop recording this. Yep. You can open the website on your site and see if you can click.
Let me see. The test page, miss?
Yes.
The test, right?
And
sorry.
then let me just check a message here.
Hello, miss. Hi, miss.
Yes.
Welcome
Yes.
back. Okay. All right. The test, miss.
You can open the website on your page.
What website, miss? This website?
Isn't it that I told you that the test page is similar to IELTS?
Yes, miss. It's similar. So
Open,
I'm gonna
open.
use a test. Okay.
Yeah, you can open.
Okay, miss. API. It's not saved here. The details are not saved, miss.
In
I
the
s-
GE training.
I did. Okay, it's there. Yeah, I haven't opened the. Which one here, miss? The form, the notes, demon. No, it's not. It's not here.
First, you open the test
Website.
page. The test.
Right, miss. I forgot the account username and
In the
yes.
I just mentioned in the GE training drive. The link is there,
Oh, okay.
and the passwords are there.
I see. Yeah, 1 second, miss. I'll just. I encounter. Okay, miss. While I'm opening it, I encounter, miss. Like ano yun nag. How do you say? Nag-crash yung website natin during my lesson.
Mm-mm.
And yeah, I was really nervous at that time. But
Just try to reload.
yeah, and then kaso mawawala yung tinype ko yung ano, miss, na yeah. So I just
Okay.
nagpanic
So,
ako saglit, but I just watched the recording, miss, and then I updated it. I opened it, miss, already, the test box.
mm,
You want me to share screen, miss?
yes.
Okay. Can you see the screen po?
Yeah. Okay, you can
Okay.
try to enter July 11.
July 11. Okay, miss.
Yeah. You see that
GE.
student?
Yes, miss.
Yeah, you can open the GE.
Okay. For this one. Oh, okay.
That's your page, eh?
I see, kasi naka-log in to eh. So I'm gonna need to log out this first.
Correct, because it's the test page that we're viewing.
Okay, miss. I normally translate this first into English and then. Okay, 1 second. How do I know the log out here? Because it's in Chinese.
Mm,
Maybe. Okay. Di siya na-translate?
wait.
Okay, here, miss.
Okay.
Okay, so it's gonna be the same as the test account. Okay. 4 plus 9, that's gonna be 13. Okay. T classes. So I'm gonna click it again before, miss. Here. I'll just go back and click the ET again. Close that and this one. Okay, for example, test, miss, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Sorry.
you can click
Okay. Correct. Okay, and then the level 6.
level 6 teaching page.
I don't need to show this to the evaluator, miss, right?
No need.
No
But you
need.
click the teaching page.
Okay, miss, the same as IELTS. Example, the level 6, miss.
Yeah.
Okay, it's here. Oh, see, Miss Nikki again. Teacher Nikki.
Yeah. So I told you that you can share the screen a little bit later, or during your demo, share on your as you begin,
It's
after
good,
the
miss.
tech check.
Yes, it's good,
After
miss,
the tech
because
check.
yes, miss, this one is here because in your slide it's in here. So I'm wondering if how
No,
do I
because
share
that's
the screen?
another teacher's. This is the test
Ah,
page. That is another teacher's page. So you can share here at the beginning when you do the demo.
this one, miss.
This
Ah, okay,
one.
miss.
No, second. Yeah, second.
Okay,
Yeah.
because I need to
Yes.
show him if he needs it or not. I see.
Mhm.
Okay, but it's already in a
So
full screen, miss, right?
when you say, can you please introduce yourself? So you can already type here.
Your reading wants to improve.
You can empty that with information.
Thank you, miss. Before I
You
didn't
can
know, but
scroll.
thank
Can
you.
you scroll down?
Okay, miss. Here?
Yung part ng grammar
Ah, okay,
sa
yeah.
class notes.
Earlier.
Class notes.
Vocabulary, grammar. Here,
Yan.
miss.
You see past continuous.
Ah, so that's gonna be my topic too, if I choose this?
This is the test page. You can pre-prepare your notes here.
Yes, miss. Earlier I didn't prepare, so now, miss, I
Exactly,
can choose this.
because you haven't learned. Now that
Thank you.
you will prepare for the demo, you can use this account,
Ah,
right?
okay. And
And
this one
then
too, miss, the topic, everything is okay?
yes. So you
Thank you,
see
miss.
that there will be some videos. Is there a video here? There's just an audio. You
There is,
see
miss.
on the
I think
upper right?
here.
Yes. So the
I,
play button to make the slide play.
where should I share that video something or the sound?
The sound, you can try it.
Can you hear it, miss?
No. It's just like when you share sound with Zoom. Do you know
Right.
how
That's I think before we, but it should
uh
be here.
you stop share. Stop sharing.
I see. And then share
Share
again.
again.
Okay, miss.
It should pop up below.
Ah, yes. Okay, got it. Video
Merong
share
small
PC audio.
box. Yeah. Okay, you can
Okay,
try
miss.
it.
Okay, you see the screen now again?
Yes.
Okay.
That morning.
Yeah,
You
I
hear
can
it, miss?
hear.
Ah, thank you, miss. All right, that's easy.
Okay, so you see that you can play it, like make it bigger.
Yes, miss. This one,
Yan. Correct.
and then but this audio is for.
Okay, you can click the audio.
And I suppose I set off a
And
bit late.
if there's a video in the slide, I think you can also make it big. You know, it's just like YouTube, may small box sa baba. If you click
Minimize
that
and
small box, it's gonna be bigger, and then you can click it again. So babalik ka sa teaching material.
full
Easy
screen. Ah,
guys.
okay, this one, miss.
Yeah.
Full screen. Oh, it's not.
No,
Babalik ako sa
we don't
teaching
have a
page.
video eh. We
Ah,
don't have
yes.
a video here.
Okay, just gonna move it here. I see. Okay, miss, going back to.
So now this is the GE.
I see.
You can go back to the previous window where this is. Yeah, that one. And then click now, business. You see upper left, daily, business. Yan. So this is the one for business introductions.
Taas
So
ng letter
teaching
mo.
page.
Okay, miss. Yeah, it's
Can you click
different.
the slides, like close this left side?
This part, miss.
This three
Which part?
lines on the upper left, you can click that. 3 lines, teaching
3 lines.
material,
Okay.
tapos three lines.
This one?
3 lines pa ganon. Pahalang. Go down a bit.
Ah, okay,
This one.
sorry.
There you go. So the difference here, can you go down to vocab?
Here.
In the vocab, it's longer because it's 6 vocab longer, and please do not ask your student to read here. So just
That's the
explain
meaning,
in an
miss.
easy manner. Yeah, in the new GE, pwedeng magpa-read kung low level. Pero kasi business, usually higher level pag business English. So
Right.
for business English, you'd better prepare a little bit more in such a manner that you won't ask them to read, but try to explain that in your own words.
Okay.
Yeah, if you have to come up with meaning of each word, it's better. That is not here in the presentation.
Present pa rin yung ano, miss, yung two things that you need to teach to the student. Yung two example from
Yeah,
the
the same.
teachers. The same?
The same. So yung sinasabi ko sa yung difference is just the manner that you teach the vocab.
Okay, miss.
It's longer, it's 15 minutes pag titingnan mo sa time management, and then wag ka magpabasa dito sa
Copy, miss.
evaluator.
Vocabulary again, I see.
So application na, right? Acquaintance, you see that.
I see.
Let's talk about some questions. So whatever learned earlier, so pag-uusapan nyo na dito.
I see here from here, and then okay, we can talk about it here. Okay.
Yes. So
15 minutes.
in some materials, merong expressions, you know, like welcome to the company, like that, or welcome aboard. Pagka may mga ganon expressions, kasi if you will see dito listening, say scroll down. Di ba dun sa time management ko wala namang listening?
Yes,
So you replace that with what was in the list. Kasi depende talaga sa teaching material eh. So nakalagay naman dito listening is 10 minutes. Tapos
Okay.
scroll down please.
Discussion. 15
Discussion
minutes.
is just like free talk.
Free
follow-up.
talk.
Yeah, follow-up question, ganyan, no need to finish it. And then scroll down. Yeah, from here, wag ka nang, don't need to finish the optional task.
Go with the rating na. Kasi tapos na kayo.
Mm-mm.
Okay, can I click it, miss? It's
Yes.
okay, miss, right? Okay, like example, magaling talaga siya. I think I'm upper B. Dito lang ako ata, miss eh.
Sorry?
Sorry, I measured myself, miss. I took a test. I think I'm upper B something. So, not really here, but it's okay. Kaya takot ako if ang student magaling, miss. Kasi, yeah, how do I teach you if I'm not really good? Pwede ako miss, no? Mag-char-char lang dito.
Yeah.
And then let's see if it will reflect on. I see. Level 9. Maybe refresh ko. So I should explain this to the student, miss, that this is your score.
Yeah.
Each part.
You haven't clicked everything eh, kaya level 9 pa rin.
Okay, 1 second.
You see?
Okay, let's say 5. Yeah, kasi mataas din yung binigay ko, miss. 6. Okay, miss. And then how do we say goodbye? How's the ending, miss?
Give a summary.
Okay.
There's summary and then evaluation and then good performance, feedback. After
6, yeah.
After that is good performance, areas to work on.
Okay, yeah.
And then of course, don't court for more questions. Teka lang let me just check. Meron lang akong inaabangan na sagot. Because what I'm looking for is, the thing is, I was allowed to train the two of you to become GE. But
Okay, miss.
sometimes, nagko-close yung opening in such a manner that minamatch kasi nila yung volume of students with the number of teachers.
True.
So may time na enough na yung teachers. That's why I'm asking, because we talked about this
Yes.
last week.
Yesterday? Sorry.
No. the one in China, we talked about
Mm.
I'm going to train 2 more teachers, which is Who Is You and Teacher Marl last week. So si Teacher Marl, nag-okay siya. At that time kasi busy ka pa. Busy ka sa
Mm.
ETs mo.
Yes,
So
miss. Marami.
maghahalo-halo yung, it's gonna be too stressful for you. So I decided, if you will decide to do it, the next week na, which is this week. So I'm still
Mm.
trying to double check if I can still, because Teacher Marl, i-announce ko na lang siya eh. And she just needs to inform me if she's done with the Ding Talk. So ikaw, hindi ka pa magde-demo. So I'm double checking if we can still push through. But
I see.
anyways, in case we can't, in case lang we can't, later on, magkakaroon ng opening ang GE.
At least I'm
Because,
ready. Yes, miss.
yes, and also, ang GE, ano yan, parang 1-2 weeks, meron na ulit. Ganon. Meron ulit opening
Ah.
because it's ever growing. Madaming students ang GE.
Okay, miss.
So even if not now, maybe later. But at least naka-demo ka na and then waiting na lang. But I
True,
hope
true.
you can still we can still consider you to enroll you because magdi-Ding Talk training ka pa eh. Maybe anong date na ba? 8/22?
Rush na
At
naman
least
yan,
end of
miss.
August,
Okay.
'di ba? Start of
Okay.
September, it's not bad.
Okay, miss.
For maraming students.
I see.
Mm-mm.
That's a good plan.
Yeah, so questions here.
I'm gonna need to study everything first. And then, okay, miss, example, playing the video here.
Oh,
Susan,
sige, you can
I'd
play.
like you to meet Miles
Ayan, you can
Henderson
make
from
it big.
Syntech Limited.
Ayan yung
Can you see it?
box na
It's
sinasabi.
bigger, miss?
Henderson.
Yeah.
Pleased to
Okay,
meet
thank you,
you.
miss.
So what do
Alright.
you do here?
Just wanna confirm if it's working. Okay. Ang
Yeah.
hindi
It's
ko lang
good,
gusto,
right?
sorry. Yes, miss.
G is fun, isn't it?
I think I just need to worry about the time something.
The time
Because it's too
management.
short.
Yeah. As I've mentioned, iba-ibang teaching material, iba-ibang time you accommodate it. But I think the main how can I say guideline that can
Okay.
guide you would be may mga teachers kasi na at the beginning ang taas-taas ng buy rate. Parang wow, 40-50% buying rate. Tapos siguro mga ano yon, mga 2 months or 3 months. Tapos pababa ng pababa ng pababa. Bakit? Kasi yung mga normal lessons niya, ang nangyayari, kung ang dami-dami na niyang students, ang tagal niya mag-warm up, parang 25 minutes
Wala
or
nang
30
natutunan sa
minutes,
student.
warm up. Tapos yung intro niya na dapat siguro mga 6 minutes lang max, dapat nga ando na yung warm up, di ba? Ang nangyari sa kanya, nag-free talk si teacher ng intro na discuss niya yung topic ng konti. Kumbaga, andun sa context, right? Yung topic. 30 minutes na magwa-warm up pa lang siya. Ang tagal niya ring mag-warm up. Pagdating ng 48 minutes na, patapos na yung klase. Kakaumpisa pa lang ng vocab. Ang nangyayari dun sa teacher na yon, pababa ng pababa, buying rate, pababa ng dati nasa number 2, number 3, highest NL. Bumaba pareho yon. Tapos nagkakaroon na siya ng negative feedback kasi in each class, lalo na yung ET class, meron yung questionnaire. Did the teacher help you, gave you a good feedback and correction after the class? Ganun. Meron na siyang may mga questionnaire feedback na siya na no, teacher wasn't able to help me properly. Mga ganun na. From ang taas-taas ng when she started, the first 2 months, tas siguro napagod. Ayun, ngayon, on the 3rd, 4th month, ang dami ng negative feedback. And the teacher is the type na ayaw maka-receive ng negative feedback. Eh, ang problem kasi
Okay.
dyan is, how do you resolve the problem kung ayaw mo makareceive ng feedback? Eh, kailangan um, sumunod ka sa guideline.
True, miss.
Yan.
Kasi same as you told me we should not copy paste from ChatGPT, and I did, and then I was able to get my first NL because of that.
You did?
Yes, but I was very happy because it was then like we had a meeting with teacher. Sino yun, miss? I forgot.
Marl?
No, the other one, miss, yung
Maggie? I don't know.
Maggie, and
Can,
yung
can you
isa pa.
can you stop sharing para
Okay,
tama
miss.
yung video? Teka
Yes,
muna,
miss.
wait. Nag-copy paste ka from ChatGPT?
I admitted in the video, I think, yung last coaching natin, after my first day of EP, I said, Miss, ako yun, miss. Like, ginawa ko yan. Kasi na-observe mo ata yun eh. And then, after that lesson, that day, I get my NL first and it was 30 lessons agad.
Because of that.
Because of that coaching, yes, miss.
Yeah, I remember.
I was very
But
happy
then
at that
please
time.
do not do copy and paste.
Hindi naman, miss. Hindi na, miss. At
Hindi
first
na,
lang
pero
yun, miss.
nag-enroll na siya, ganun ang ginawa mo.
Nag-enroll siya because I didn't copy from ChatGPT. I owned the answer correction. Yes, miss. Because of that.
Kinabahan naman ako.
Not the ChatGPT, yes, miss.
No, kasi makikita yun eh. Makikita yun sa recording that
True.
from original answer, parang kunwari nag-intro ka lang, tapos biglang boom, kumpleto na agad yung sagot. Kita yun.
I was very happy at that time.
Magre-reklamo sa
Like,
student.
you
Kasi
gave me...
kayang-kaya naman din nila
True.
mag-search ng answer, di ba? Kaya rin nila yun eh.
Right.
Eh di sana nag-gano'n na lang sila kaysa mag-aral sa'yo.
True, miss. That's why I was able to learn. And then now, if ever talaga, miss, may mga feedback or bad something, wala pa naman, miss, no?
Wala naman.
Okay, miss.
I think you have a very good attitude, Teacher Phil.
Really, miss.
Very good attitude, light. If ever you will have extra time, I would like to train you as like to assess the class. Would you be interested?
Maybe if I can show you numbers. I mean, it's difficult naman, miss, if ganito pa ako and then, yeah, I don't have a little confidence lang.
Wala ka pang confidence.
Yes, miss. Kasi hindi pa rin ako matagal eh. Like, I've been 3 weeks pa lang eh.
Oo. Yeah, but if I'm gonna teach you, then you will probably know because you already learned the DingTalk in IELTS. So you will know anong dapat hanapin sa intro, anong dapat hanapin sa, mock test and all that. So if sa bagay mag-training ka pa lang sa GE, if ever you will have extra time, I don't know, depending on the result. Because
That's
I'm
right, miss.
expecting, because like today, medyo madami na ako nakikitang class. Nag-build up na slowly. Am I right? Tama ba ako? Can you show me your schedule?
Okay, miss. I need to log out again and then open because it's a test page.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, 1 second, miss. Okay, you see the screen po. Okay, it's me. And my student ako, miss, hindi siya bumibili agad-agad. Bumibili lang siya if magandahan siguro siya sa lesson ko. For today, bibili siya tomorrow. And then tomorrow ulit, si Zong.
Kuripot.
Yeah, nagbe-base siya sa performance ko ata everyday.
Kung may pick up na yung schedule mo, may Zong,
my new
Chris,
oh my gosh, this is a new student.
Shuwo.
Shuwo is 30 miss. This is new, miss, like yesterday, I think, or the day before yesterday, this student.
Yeah.
And yes, miss.
This is your what? Pang ilang day mo na or pang ilang week?
Ni Shuwo?
Pang ilang day or week mo na?
1 second. I started 11, walang klase, pero 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pang 12, I think, miss. 12 days.
12th day.
12th day. Yeah, finish na si Silva tomorrow kasi tomorrow exam niya. Si Chris tapos na din. Exam niya yesterday. Yeah, mga CC kasi binibigay sa akin, miss. This one is CC too.
Mm.
Nahihirapan ako
Mga
kasi...
ilan tong
Mhm.
ino-open mo each day? Ilang hours to? Parang nakapick yung pag-open mo eh. 12 hours ba to?
I'm not sure, miss, but I opened from 9 a.m. to until ito lang yung break ko.
12. 9 to
12?
12 ino-open mo. So that's
Yes,
more
miss,
than
9 to
12
12.
hours.
I can do it, miss, actually.
Wow. Wala kang time
Sorry.
para mag-training kasi ganyan yung open mo.
Okay. I see. Meron parang name mo mamaya. My God, 1 hour and 30 minutes kami. Okay.
Yup. So
Mataas yung level
anyway,
nito, miss. Yes, miss.
yeah,
Okay.
anyway, I think pumipick up na yung schedule mo. If you don't have questions, babalitaan kita kung okay
Yes,
to
miss.
proceed. Because that
Okay, but
was
for now,
last
I'm gonna
week.
stop it, miss. For now,
Sorry.
stop po muna ako ng practice ng demo or something.
You can continue. Wala pa namang nakita pa lang niya yung message because the thing with us, pagka seen lang namin yung message, it means at a given moment parang woof, ang dami. So parang
Okay.
seen lang, parang later na yan. Kumbaga hindi siya priority. Pero yeah, continue lang because which reminds me, ilang days yung kakailanganin mo to do the demo? Because I will
For the
request.
GE? For the GE, miss, right?
For BE and GE.
I see. I have to... 27? Next week? Is that okay, miss?
Uy, matagal.
Sorry, may matagal. Sorry.
8:22 now.
I have to be away at 26, miss.
Friday, you have Saturday, and then
Monday. The best day would be Monday. Monday is okay, miss.
Monday?
Yes,
Sige,
miss.
what time?
Hindi ko pick. I mean, I'm gonna close my schedule at that time.
Yeah, okay.
Maybe Monday. If Monday, miss, let's say afternoon, like 6 p.m.
6 p.m.
No, there is Shuwo pala, may regular student, miss. 8, miss. 8 or 7:30. 8 p.m. The
Wala
best
kang
one. 8 p.m.
problem pag-count ng 30 minutes to 30 tapos
It's the same
plus
my previous
50?
company, miss. I'm good with the time.
30
Yes, miss.
minutes? Okay sa'yo? Ako ayoko
Yes,
nung may 30 kasi
Ayaw mo.
parang hirap yung compute.
Mag-add ka
So
ng minutes.
7:30?
No, miss, kasi si Shuwo mag-extend kami konti eh. So, I
Okay
think
nga,
8
what
lang,
time?
miss.
8 p.m.
8, miss.
So
Yes,
8 p.m. onwards.
Right, miss. I'm gonna
On
close my
Monday.
schedule. Close ko na, miss, today, miss.
Sige.
Okay.
Kasi i-request ko na yan.
Okay, miss. And
then balitaan kita.
okay, I can work with the DingTalk, miss? Not yet. Not yet po.
Mag-prepare ka muna sa demo.
Demo muna first? Okay, miss.
Kasi
No
yung
need for...
DingTalk, that's self-paced eh. Let's say, but you want to study the DingTalk?
I mean, not yet, miss. Ano, miss? I want to ask you.
Pagkapasa mo na.
Okay, miss.
Demo.
Ganun na lang. Yeah, I'm asking you about ano, miss. Like, I forgot.
Because if you wanted to start the DingTalk, it's better that you do the demo first. So if you want to do that on Sunday, then do the DingTalk later.
You mean demo for Sunday? On Sunday?
If you want. Kasi parang gusto mo na mag-DingTalk. I mean, it depends on your availability.
Yeah, pero wag mo na, miss, baka mag-pick yung ET ko, baka mahirapan ako mag-prepare din.
Sige. Okay, but then in case you wanted to have more information,
yes, miss.
I can give you the GE link.
Okay.
So you can see the GE courses.
I'm not gonna make miss. I'm not gonna make another introduction video.
You will.
Again.
You will.
With
Nakita mo yung submission ni Teacher Marl?
Yeah, I see it. Like, oh, gumawa siya ulit.
Later na natin yun pag-usapan.
After pass the demo. Okay, miss. Focus on the
Mag-review
demo
ka muna.
first.
Oo. Tsaka may classes ka later eh.
Yes, miss.
So yung
In
classes mo
40
later
minutes.
plus you prepare the demo. But I will request it already.
Thank you, miss.
Tapos, remember that in the file that I shared with you, in the GE training, nandun yung
Yes, miss.
Q&A ng GE.
It was not made before, miss. The teacher evaluator Nikki didn't ask me po the Q&As. Nagbabay lang kami tapos no.
Hindi niya feel mag Q&A. Now, what I'm saying is,
I should also prepare. Okay.
yes, what I'm saying is because I'm going to, ano ba yan? Ano nangyayari? Wait. Nag-share screen ako Wait. Can you see my screen? Or you are sharing your screen?
No, miss. I'm not sharing po.
Strange. Hindi siya nag-share screen. Pero naka-highlight. Which one I will share? TikTok. Marl. G and Rom. TikTok. Share. Ayun.
Okay, I see it, miss.
Yeah. Medyo nalito ako. This is remember when we started GE training? Yeah.
Yes, miss.
So where you got the test student pages, right? This one, yung pin.
Okay.
This is what we did. Also, you can review here, but it's a different version.
I see.
This is the one. Here's the Q&A for GE.
Okay, miss.
This is the one. Yeah, nakapin.
Okay, miss.
So I'll just request for the schedule of the demo.
I see.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, sure na pala.
Phil.
Alright, thank you, miss.
Have
See
a
you.
good day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye po.